Welcome. In front of me is a Nubia Redmagic 8S Pro, and today I will show you how you can enable and also set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen, and then swipe down once more to extend the list of visible toggles here. Obviously, we're looking for the Do Not Disturb, so let's see where it actually is. Actually looks like it's not added by default, so we might need to add it ourselves. And we can do that by clicking right here on this pencil. Oh, there we go. Took me a moment to find it. So once you see this toggle, you can then grab it. Text right here will change and you can drag it over, drop it. And when you go back now, you should have access to it on one of the pages. Anyway, once you see the toggle, hold it again, and this will now take you quickly to the settings where you can customize Do Not Disturb mode. So I urge you to go over all these options right here and customize them to fit your needs. I'm gonna talk about only a couple of them just to kind of give an insight on the more important ones. So number one, we have the schedule mode, or turn on automatically. There's one pre-made one. You can edit it. By default, it's basically running, I believe, all week long. Yep, all week long. And starts at 10 p.m. ends at 7 a.m. If you want to use it, turn it on. You can edit it. You can add new ones if you want to. Then below that, we have options for messages and calls. So both of these will have the same options. So anyone, contacts, favorites, and no one. And then additionally, calls has this toggle right here that if it's enabled, someone calls you twice within a 15-minute period, they will bypass whatever you have selected right here. Now, with that being said, once you set everything up, you can close this, and you don't actually have to ever go back to the settings again, assuming you don't want to change any of the settings, and simply press on the toggle to enable it manually. Once you're done with it, you're going to tap on the toggle once more to turn it off. And if you're using the schedule mode, just make sure that it's toggled on in here, and that's all you would need to do. The device will then be turning on the Do Not Disturb mode automatically and also turning it off. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.